What's up guys, welcome back to Elm's Activities. Today I have the craziest video for you. I was outside on the trampoline and I hear my family screaming. So I come inside and I run and I grab my phone and there's a bird in our house. I'm not gonna say any more. I didn't get the good part, I just got the end whenever we got it out of the house. So it's not the best part, but it was definitely really fun seeing it fly around. So here you go. In our house.
He's awesome.
There's a bird in our house.
Birdie in our house. Birdie in our house.
Oh my goodness. Oh!
Shut it in the bathroom. Shut that door. And then you can open that window.
How?
Oh. It opens. The screen.
But
it slides
I have to be in the bathroom to do it.
It's not going to get you. It's not.
Are you sure?
Bird. Yes. Go in there. I'm shutting you.
And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. And please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on my post notifications for all my newest videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.